The final training method that I want to mention is MOOCs, a relatively new option. MOOCs are massive open online courses. They are delivered and administered by external vendors who usually make them available for free and accessible to anyone with internet access, thus millions of people. The instruction is application-based. Trainees receive the same content and complete the same assignments, but they can do so at their own convenience. They usually watch engaging lectures and then interact with the material, the trainer, and other learners, sometimes, through hands-on activities like projects and role plays. Some MOOCs even offer college credit or certificates of completion, which can be useful for some employees, like those who need remedial training and those who would like to explore alternative career options. MOOCs are an attractive training method because they're relatively inexpensive for organizations to implement within their existing systems. Many vendors ensure the entire course is accessible to people with hearing and visual impairments. Plus, there are tens of thousands of courses available, and they cover a wide range of topics. Think of a topic you want to learn more about. There's a MOOC for that. Even if an employer doesn't implement MOOCs in their training system, individual employees and even the unemployed can access these courses. They can be very engaging by providing opportunities to observe, interact, practice, and receive feedback. But the problem is very few people end up participating fully and completing the entire course with passing grades. And it's not because the courses are too difficult. There are other factors that many of you are familiar with because you take online courses. There are other factors that get in the way, so to speak. The other drawback of this method is that although the content may be relevant to a job, it may not have a strong connection to the organization and its needs. Like other semi-synchronous methods, MOOCs are not appropriate for some training topics, like those that require live instruction and live practice, for example. Now that you've learned more about the technology-based training methods available to us, explore some of the examples we've curated for you on this page.